Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Battle.net account to your YouTube channel or YouTube account. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to youtube.com and sign into the YouTube account which you want to link. Now, it's very important that you use a personal YouTube account because a business YouTube account doesn't work. Now, from there we go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Open up the drop down menu and head down to the settings. Now, from out these settings, so what you want to do, you want to go to the left and go and open the connected apps. Now here you see the Battle.net option. Simply go down and press connect, and from there you can easily connect the accounts and press continue. Now use this drop down menu, and here you can sign into your Battle.net account and both will be linked automatically. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.